Well, the big focus story is, of course, on Arvind Kejriwal's bail in the Supreme Court. Significant development. It's a conditional bail. The BJP has also reacted now, saying that he'll now be known as the Chief Minister who's out on bail, saying that just because he's been given bail by the Supreme Court, it doesn't presume innocence. So sharp political words coming in from both sides of the moment. Sunil Prabhu joins us live from the Supreme Court, and Aishwarya is live with us from the Aam Aadmi Party office. Before we understand what really happened in court, I want to go across to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, I believe you have a guest with you. Go ahead.
Well, certainly after so many days and so many months, it is Aam Aadmi Party workers who are rejoiced, and they are certainly happy of the decision that has come out from the Supreme Court. I'm being joined by the Aam Aadmi Party working president from Punjab, Principal Budharam, and Aam Aadmi Party MLA as well. आज का दिन बहुत बड़ा है आप लोगों के लिए। काफ़ी दिनों के बाद आप लोगों के चेहरे पर इस तरह की खुशी देख रहे हैं, लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करी। उन्होंने कहा कि ये चीफ मिनिस्टर जाने जाएंगे जो बेल पर बाहर हैं। ये चीफ मिनिस्टर को रिज़ाइन कर देना चाहिए था बहुत पहले, क्योंकि चार्जेस उनके खिलाफ नहीं हटे, सिर्फ उनको बेल पर बाहर आने की अनुमति दी गई है सुप्रीम कोर्ट से। किस तरीके से आप लोग इस फैसले को देख रहे हैं?
देखो, बीजेपी वाले कुछ भी कहें, उनका झूठ सामने आ गया, नंगा हो गया है। सबसे बाद भी हमारे जो पंजाब के, हरियाणा, दिल्ली और थ्रू आउट ऑफ इंडिया, वी आर ऑल फिल्ड विद जॉय, आवर एंजॉय न्यू नो बॉन्ड्स एंड आवर सुप्रीमो गेट्स ए बेल। सो इसलिए बीजेपी का हमने कुछ बोलते हैं जो कुछ नहीं, हमें सब पता। मगर हमारे सुप्रीमो को, हमारे मसीहा को बेल मिल गई है, जमानत मिल गई है। हमारी खुशी के लिए बहुत बड़ा मौका है। हम सभी के जो चेहरे लाल हो गए हैं खुशी के साथ। और दूसरी बात, जो बीजेपी है उसका झूठ नंगा हो गया, पता चल गया हमें। सो हमें संविधान, भारत का जो संविधान है उसमें पूरा निश्चय था। और हमारे जो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट है, आप धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं, कोटि कोटि नमन करते हैं कि उसने जो झूठ का पर्दाफाश कर दिया और सच की जीत हुई है।
नहीं, सच की जीत आप लोग ज़रूर कह रहे हैं, लेकिन पॉलिटिकली अगर बात करें, हरियाणा के अंदर चुनाव है, आम आदमी पार्टी हरियाणा का चुनाव भी लड़ रही है। अरविंद केजरीवाल का बाहर आना कितनी बड़ी ताकत देगा आम आदमी पार्टी को?
ये सभी ताकत देगा पार्टी को। जब पार्टी का सुप्रीमो बाहर आ गया ना, सो पंजाब में भी और हरियाणा में भी, दिल्ली में भी, थ्रू आउट ऑफ इंडिया में जो पार्टी का बेस है उसको एक खुशी मिलती है, हौसला मिलता है। और ख़ास तौर पे हरियाणा में जो इलेक्शन हो रहे हैं उसमें एकदम अप होगा, वो ग्राफ अप होगा हमारा, क्योंकि वो हरियाणा की जंपल है। फ़र्क पड़ता है, इसके बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क पड़ेगा।
एक टिप्पणी आपसे लेना चाहेंगे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जिस तरीके से जजमेंट आया, जजमेंट में जस्टिस ने ये भी कहा कि एक तरीके से सवालिया निशान खड़ा करता है जो टाइमिंग है अरेस्ट का। सीबीआई के द्वारा इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट ने पहले बेल दे दी थी, उसके बाद सीबीआई ने उनको उनके खिलाफ केस दर्ज किया और फिर उसके बाद उनको जेल हुई। आप लोग शुरू से एलिज करते आए हैं कि पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा है, सेंट्रल एजेंसीज का दुरुपयोग करती है केंद्र सरकार, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि ये परसेप्शन को गलत तरीके से ना देखा जाए। केस अभी भी जारी है, चार्जेस अभी भी हैं, केस लगातार चलता रहेगा।
बट में भी देखो, जमानत हो जानी बड़ी बात है, वो केस चलता रहेगा, क्योंकि कोई मनी टेलिंग नहीं है, इसलिए कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता इसमें कि क्या कहते हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का हम जो उसका न्याय है उसको मानना पड़ेगा, वो जो उसने दिशा निर्देश दिए हैं उसको मानना पड़ेगा, कोई बात नहीं है। मगर ऐसा भी जो ईडी का गलत दुरुपयोग, मतलब जैसे जो इलेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट है वो बीजेपी का गलत प्रयोग किया था, सो इसके लिए उसका जो पर्दाफाश होगा।
अच्छा सर, आखिरी सवाल, किस तरीके से आज स्वागत करेंगे अरविंद केजरीवाल का? क्या मुख्यमंत्री पंजाब के भी आ रहे हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, मुख्यमंत्री जरूर आएंगे जी। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री का एक बड़ी बात है, उनको आना आएगा। मैं यहाँ पर कल का था, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पर पहले आ गया। सो हम जहाँ पर रात के थे, यहाँ बड़ी रहे थे कि बेल आएगी, हमारे पक्ष में आएगी।
So that was Principal Budharam, Aam Aadmi Party working president from the Punjab. He's stating that it would be Chief Minister of Punjab who would be also coming and welcoming Arvind Kejriwal. But these visuals, as you can see on the screen, this is from right outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, where several workers are now gathering and they are celebrating as far as Arvind Kejriwal's bail is concerned. There you can see firecrackers now shortly being busted outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. And certainly these are the visuals as far as sweets distribution is concerned, and other Aam Aadmi Party workers are also concerned. They are clearly happy. किस तरीके से देखते हैं इस बड़े फैसले को? आप लोग अभी से ही आप आतिशबाजी कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर। बीजेपी कह रही है बेल पर ही बाहर आए हैं, चार्जेस नहीं हटे हैं अभी।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्पष्ट शब्दों में बताया है कि ये गुनाह ही कैसे दाखिल हो सकता है। ये टिप्पणी के साथ ही ये भाजपा का एक्सपोज हो चुका है कि सब झूठा था और मनगढ़ंत था। आम आदमी पार्टी को रोकने की साजिश थी, इसमें भाजपा नाकाम हुई है। आगे चल के हरियाणा के विधानसभा में इसके प्रसाद दिखेंगे आपको। भाजपा जनता केजरीवाल जी के साथ है, पूरा महाराष्ट्र केजरीवाल जी के साथ खड़ा है।
आप लोग महाराष्ट्र से आए हैं?
आए हम।
And there you can see these live visuals from Aam Aadmi Party headquarters as well, as it was stated by the Supreme Court that certainly Arvind Kejriwal should get bail, but those are on the bail conditions that has also been imposed. He can't sign a file, he can't go to Chief Minister's office and then can direct about the principles, but policies, but certainly a rejoiced worker outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters.
I have to-
certainly a big boost for them as far as Haryana polls are also concerned.
Right. Well, Aishwarya, I have to say that those visuals of those, laddies of firecrackers, those long lines of firecrackers that are being lined outside the road at the Aam Aadmi Party office, I think those visuals will be played out again and again, given the fact that it is this very Delhi government that has once again imposed a firecracker ban till the 1st of January 2025, given the fact that the pollution season is just coming. So, I'd be very careful if I was an Aam Aadmi Party worker trying to burst firecrackers outside the party office.
So that's the impact, I guess, because now the firecrackers had now been removed from
They've
the
been
road,
removed, okay.
and certainly they have got this message from the top leaders of
They're
the Aam
being
Aadmi
packed up.
Party that firecrackers should not be
Okay.
busted. आप लोगों ने अभी आपने यहाँ पे लड़ी लगाई थी, आपने हटा दी है, क्या वजह रही?
क्योंकि ये पॉल्यूशन के लिए सही नहीं है। आतिशबाजी करना, बम पटाखे फोड़ना, यही और हमारी पार्टी का
तो
भी
एक
यही।
मैसेज दे दिया गया है ऊपर से कि आतिशबाजी
हाँ,
नहीं
आतिशबाजी
की जाए।
बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है। पार्टी के ऊपर से आदेश है कि कोई भी बम पटाखे नहीं फोड़नी है। खुशी, दिल्ली के लोग खुश हैं, उसके लिए मिठाई खाकर खुशी अपनी
Credit where it's
जाहिर
due.
करेंगे। बम पटाखे
Credit where it's due.
So there you
Aishwarya.
heard.
Yes. I think credit where it's due because they removed the firecrackers, but just goes to show there's a cracker ban, but they're easily available, and we're still weeks away from Diwali. So that's another story for another day. But Sunil Prabhu also with us. Sunil, the firecrackers may have been removed, but of course celebrations at the Aam Aadmi Party office there. But given the fact that there are some very stringent bail conditions that have been imposed in the Delhi Chief Minister, will these celebrations be short-lived ahead of the Delhi elections in a few months?
Not really, because Mr. Kejriwal is a political person, and if you have covered him, seen him, and the way he responds, he's definitely bound to give you firecrackers without, polluting the air. He's acerbic in his comments, and he has that ability to do so. From being an RTI activist to the Chief Minister of Delhi, he's been able to capture the imagination of the people of Delhi, being elected twice with a massive majority. So definitely those stringent conditions of not attending the Chief Minister's office in the Delhi Secretariat, not attending the Delhi Secretariat, or not signing any files except where it's required for the Lieutenant Governor's approval. Apart from the fact that the Supreme Court itself is looking at issues about remission, and in that context seeing whether Mr. Kejriwal can sign files or not, how does things play out in the court. Now, of course, all this will be academic. Most importantly, after granting bail, there's been a differing of opinion, and Justice Buyan telling the CBI, which is India's premier investigating agency, to be uncaged. This is a serious damning indictment of India's premier investigating agency, CBI, which is appointed by the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India, and the Leader of Opposition. That director now needs to ask questions about the kind of comments that have come from the Supreme Court, about the fact that this has now become an insurance arrest, that there are more questions than answers. These are things that, we must ask to ourselves about the way things have played out. The Supreme Court, the highest court of the land, playing these remarks, saying that the CBI must be an uncaged parrot in these matters and act on its own. not as Mr. Singhvi's pointed out, Mr. Kejriwal's lawyer, as an insurance arrest after the Enforcement Directorate case was reserved and the judgment was expected. So there are differences of opinion between Justice Surya Kant and Justice Bhuyan, who have given their verdict, granted bail. It's now, as Mr. Jain, the counsel for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, has said very categorically that it's academic. But as he said, let's first get Mr. Kejriwal released from TR.
Yes.
Then, as the days and months go in the run-up to the elections, if governance is going to be affected, then definitely we'll go back to the Supreme Court to say that these are the certain handicaps and issues that we have. They're going to address that for another day. Today,
Yes.
it's a big victory for them after months, for some of them years of pursuance after this entire case has come up to get that relief. It was definitely going to be difficult. It's been 6 months for Mr. Kejriwal, for Manish Sisodia nearly 2 years, for others even longer. And it's in that process that entire liquor excise policy case has haunted the AAP leadership,
Yes.
as well as the Delhi Chief Minister and his other associates.
Sunil, stay on with us because the firecrackers may have been packed up, but we can see dhol and sweets outside the Aam Aadmi Party office already, and Aishwarya is giving us those live visuals on our screens at the moment.
I hope
But-
they're giving some sweets.
But before we go back to Aishwarya, I just want to ask you, Sunil, very briefly, the other aspect of what happened in court today was what the Supreme Court has said about the trial not being the punishment. Arvind Kejriwal, sitting Chief Minister of Delhi, has been in jail for the last 6 months without a trial. He's finally, been given bail. But what the Supreme Court has said, whether it was in the Manish Sisodia case or even today, that the trial cannot be the punishment, bail has to be the norm and not jail, is something that will have, far-reaching impact even as far as other cases are concerned, won't it?
Absolutely, it's now become a template
Yes.
that bail is the rule and jail is the exception. In this case, where you have at that stage when they arrested him, the charge sheet was not yet filed. Now, of course, the charge sheet has been filed. There are 4,000 odd witnesses. There are statements, thousands of pages. So by the time you do this entire process, it's going to take years, if I may be permitted to say so. I have seen the judiciary function for many, many decades. It's tariq pe tariq, date by date, and especially in the trial court, because they themselves are burdened with so many other cases. And by the time this is actually going to be able to deliver justice, I don't know whether you or me will be dead. It could take decades because there's a finality in this entire matter. So definitely you can't allow a person to be in jail for the longest period of time till the trial completes, because that could, as I said, take years, if not
Yes.
decades, in a case like this before it is absolutely finalized.
Well, absolutely. The trial will continue, and the stance of the BJP also important to reflect here, because they say that the charges that have been filed have not been quashed. Arvind Kejriwal has been given a conditional bail in the case while the trial against him still continues. So this bail, therefore, is not equal to innocence. And they, of course, lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that he should have resigned while he was in jail, etc. So that's the stance that the opposition has taken as far as Delhi is concerned. Interesting what the BJP has also said, and important to reflect here. Stay on with us, Sunil. Let's quickly go across to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, the sweets are out. Have you also been given some sweets yet, or no such luck?
Well, the workers are very happy, and there's those visuals from Aam Aadmi Party headquarters with sweets being distributed to each other as far as the bail for Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, because their top leader has now come out from the Tihar jail. We'll certainly be walking out very soon, but that's the kind of motivation that they have. हरियाणा के अंदर अब चुनाव होने वाले हैं. आपके सबसे बड़ा नेता बाहर आ गए हैं. मनीष सिसोदिया पहले ही बाहर आ चुके थे. कितना बड़ा मोटिवेशन है. आप लोग यहाँ पर स्पीच डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी कर रहे हैं. लग रहा है कि हरियाणा के अंदर अब प्रभाव पड़ने
दिया कि बाबा साहब के संविधान से बड़ा इस देश में कुछ नहीं है। बाबा साहब के संविधान की वजह से केजरीवाल साहब बाहर आ रहे हैं। और दूसरा ये है कि आज हमारे लिए दिवाली है। जैसे भगवान राम 14 साल काट के आए थे वनवास में, ऐसे ही हमारे राम भी आज वापस आ रहे हैं। तो हमारी दिवाली तो आज ही है, तो हम मिठाइयाँ बांटेंगे, सेलिब्रेट करेंगे।
बीजेपी अभी भी कह रही है बेल वाले सीएम हैं, बेल पर बाहर आए हैं, चार्जेस नहीं हटे होंगे।
बीजेपी के कहने से कुछ नहीं होता। फिर से मोदी जी ने एक सर्टिफिकेट दिया है
As
कोई ईमानदारी का, केजरीवाल की ईमानदारी पे कलंक
audio
लगा नहीं
glitch with
पाएगी।
you. We can't hear you entirely at the moment, so we're going to try and reconnect with Aishwarya in just a moment from now. But a whole host of political reactions have come in to Arvind Kejriwal's bail. Before we go back to Aishwarya and Sunil, let's just quickly listen in to the big political reactions.
मैं बाबा साहब को और संविधान को याद करते हुए, धन्यवाद करते हुए, ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट को धन्यवाद करते हुए, सिंघवी साहब का धन्यवाद करते हुए, आम आदमी पार्टी के एक एक कार्यकर्ता, एक एक लीडर, पार्षद, एमएलए, एमपी सबको भी बधाई देना चाहता हूं, धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि ऐसे संकट के समय में जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपनी पूरी ताकत के साथ, अपने पूरे कुचक्रों के साथ उनको कुचलने की कोशिश कर रही थी, वो टूटे नहीं, हटे नहीं, झुके नहीं, सच्चाई के साथ लड़े रहे। सच्चाई की जीत हुई है, हम बहुत खुश हैं। आने वाले समय में इससे और सच्चाई के लिए लड़ने वालों को ताकत मिलेगी। बात सिर्फ केजरीवाल जी की नहीं है, जो भी आदमी सच्चाई के लिए लड़ रहा है उसको ताकत मिलेगी।
केंद्र सरकार की प्रीमियर एजेंसी को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि जो पिंजरे में तोते की बात सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहता था वो आज भी सीबीआई और इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी के लिए है। और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ना सिर्फ सीबीआई इंडिपेंडेंट दिखे, इसका परसेप्शन हो कि ये इंडिपेंडेंट है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट की आज का ये जो फैसला है, मुझे लगता है कि केंद्र सरकार के अंदर आज अगर थोड़ी सी भी गैरत हो तो केंद्र सरकार के गृह मंत्री को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए।
In some ways, he's also handicapped because the Enforcement Directorate, the Supreme Court had said that he can't attend the Chief Minister's office, he can't go to the Secretariat, he'll only, and in his own submissions before the ED, he said he'll only sign files which require the LG's approval. So, will you be able to do real governance? That's the big question.
So let's see, let the detailed order come.
No, this is the order has already come. That is the Enforcement Directorate earlier.
So what I'm saying, today, Haryana is facing an election. Jammu Kashmir facing an election. So there are elections all around. So we need to have now towards that our entire focus, that how to defeat BJP in the upcoming elections.
So, but on this issue about governance, that is the critical thing because you yourself have been in power. You're seeing that you required decisions to be taken. How will that play out? Because people of Delhi are suffering between the fight between the AAP and the Lieutenant Governor and the BJP. The people of Delhi haven't been really successful in getting their basic requirements.
Now, see, we have tried our best, and our governments and our ministers have performed their best. And whatever delay has been caused, whatever the way BJP tried to slow down the works in Delhi, let Arvind ji come, we'll sort it out.
So, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal will be walking free, and as Mr. Somnath Bharati says, once he comes, it will be a big moral booster, and they'll be able to sort things out. With camera person Rakesh Mahale, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.
सबसे पहले तो मैं दिल्ली वालों की और देशवासियों की ओर से कहना चाहूँगा, वेलकम बैक अरविंद केजरीवाल, वी ऑल मिस्ड यू। एक लंबे संघर्ष के बाद आज दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री, दिल्ली के बेटे अरविंद केजरीवाल जी लौट रहे हैं। मैं दिल की गहराइयों से ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं, क्योंकि इस देश के न्याय के सबसे बड़े मंदिर ने आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जेल की सलाखों से आज़ाद करने का फैसला सुना दिया है।
All right, while there are celebrations outside the Aam Aadmi Party office and the AAP leaders have indeed welcomed the verdict, the BJP has also responded to Arvind Kejriwal's release, saying that bail in these cases is no big deal. It should not be presumed as innocence. The trial against Arvind Kejriwal and others will continue. Listen in.
अरविंद केजरीवाल को जो जमानत मिली है, तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आम आदमी पार्टी जो एक जमानती क्लब बन चुका है, उसमें अरविंद केजरीवाल का भी स्वागत है। जिस तरह की शर्तें माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने लगाई हैं कि एक मुख्यमंत्री अपने कार्यालय नहीं जा सकता, एक मुख्यमंत्री कोई भी फाइल साइन नहीं कर सकता, एक मुख्यमंत्री विदेश की यात्रा नहीं कर सकता और एक मुख्यमंत्री इस केस के ऊपर कोई टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकता, तो तो फिर अरविंद केजरीवाल को सोचना चाहिए कि इतनी गंभीर टिप्पणियों के बाद माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट की उन्हें मुख्यमंत्री बने रहने का अधिकार है। इसलिए हम तो ये गुजारिश करते हैं कि अगर आप में थोड़ी सी भी नैतिकता है तो आपको तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।
माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने कट्टर बेईमान पापी आपके कन्वीनर अरविंद केजरीवाल को फिर से आईना दिखाया है और ये जो आदेश पारित हुआ है भ्रष्टाचारी कट्टर बेईमान अरविंद केजरीवाल को कंडीशनल बेल मिली है। और यह कहना गलत नहीं होगा, जेल वाला सीएम अब बेल वाला सीएम हो गया है।
All right, let's go right back to Aishwarya joining us live from outside the Aam Aadmi Party office. Aishwarya, indeed a morale booster for the party cadre ahead of elections in Haryana, and you know, in less than 6 months, elections in the national capital as well. Arvind Kejriwal will walk out of the Tihar jail in a short while from now.
Well, senior leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party had stated that because Arvind Kejriwal was inside the jail, and therefore the reason perhaps the alliance talk with the Congress Party altogether failed. And in Haryana now Aam Aadmi Party will be fighting all alone against the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party. But there is a transition change. We have seen how after Manish Sisodiya came outside, there were several rallies that he addressed, and also importantly he was present during the filing of the nomination of several of the Aam Aadmi Party candidates along with Sanjay Singh and others. Now when Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal has come out, certainly it's a morale booster for the Aam Aadmi Party workers as well, and therefore the reason perhaps what we saw earlier at outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters is the posters of "We miss Manish Sisodiya" when he was inside the Tihar jail. Now these posters says Kejriwal aayenge. Satyamev Jayate and other such posters had been placed outside with the heavy security at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters as soon as the news floated that Arvind Kejriwal will soon walk out of the Tihar jail, and therefore the reason perhaps the security also beefed it, and these new posters had now been placed outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters which says Kejriwal aayenge, and the workers also celebrating at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, distributing sweets and stating that this is a kind of Diwali for them because it was Ram aayenge to Kejriwal aayenge is something that is something that these supporters are stating. Dhol and others with distribution currently taking place, but it is BJP which is quick enough to respond to the Supreme Court observation saying that the charges had not been removed. Arvind Kejriwal is still the key conspirator, and he is the kingpin of the entire alleged excise policy case. He's just out on bail, and he is a chief minister who is on the bail. He had been imposed several conditions as far as he can't go to the Aam Aadmi Party, he can't go to the chief minister's office, he can't sign any such file of the policy making files, and therefore the reason perhaps the Bharatiya Janata Party has lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party saying that he should have given resignation as far as the chief minister is concerned because serious allegations are against him. But on the other side, yes, we will see in the upcoming days when he will walk out of the Tihar jail that he will be visiting Haryana, he will be campaigning for the candidates, and that's a big morale booster for them because Arvind Kejriwal is the senior most leader of Aam Aadmi Party, and therefore the reason the supporters from different parts of the country had come and currently celebrating outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. How this will pan out and how this will be showcasing as well as and reflecting in the results of Haryana, that's his concern, and how many seats Aam Aadmi Party could win in the upcoming Haryana elections is something that will be seen when the results will come out. But the supporters are really motivated. आप कुछ कह रहे थे, ये केजरीवाल आएंगे के पोस्टर्स लगाए गए हैं आपके यहाँ पर, लेकिन अभी भी ये कहा जा रहा है कि सिर्फ बेल पर ही बाहर है, चार्जेस अभी भी उनके खिलाफ हैं, अभी भी की कॉन्स्पिरेटर सबसे बड़े किंगपिन इस एलिजेड लिकर पॉलिसी केस के कहे जा रहे हैं.
See, let the BJP say what they are saying. But as Bhagwan Ram came back after Banvas, after 14 years, as Kejriwal ji is coming after 177 days, right? So basically it's like a Diwali for us. We are celebrating like Diwali. It's a big day for us. We are distributing the sweets and we are dancing and, you know, we are celebrating the Diwali today.
But certainly it is Bharatiya Janata Party, of course, had slammed Arvind Kejriwal. Celebrations here, and on the other side it is Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where we are also witnessing several key leaders, including Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh and others who are gathered, and they will be shortly doing a press conference on the Supreme Court judgment.
All right, well, thanks very much, Aishwarya, for joining us with all those latest updates. We will, of course, continue to track the story very, very closely here on NDTV. Arvind Kejriwal is expected to walk out of the Tihar jail sometime today itself. That's what we're hearing from Tihar jail officials. We will get you all the latest on this story. Short break here, more news coming up on the other side. Stay with us.